Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to bridge the gap between your USDT holdings and your Uphold account? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, moving your digital assets around efficiently is key. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto, leverage Uphold's features, or simply manage your portfolio across different platforms, knowing how to send your USDT to Uphold is a valuable skill. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand a couple of things. USDT, or Tether, exists on various blockchain networks. Think of these networks as different highways for your digital currency. The most common ones you'll encounter are Ethereum's ERC20 and Tron's TRC20. Why does this matter? Because the network you choose for sending your USDT must be supported by the receiving platform, in this case, Uphold. Sending your USDT on the wrong network could unfortunately lead to a loss of funds, and nobody wants that. Uphold typically supports specific networks for USDT deposits. It's always the best practice to double-check Uphold's deposit options to confirm which networks they currently accept for USDT. You can usually find this information within your Uphold account under the Deposit or Add Funds section. Look for USDT and see the available network choices listed. Once you've confirmed the supported network on Uphold, you're ready to get started with the sending process from your current USDT holding platform. This could be another exchange, a digital wallet, or any other service where you hold USDT. The general steps involved are quite similar across most platforms, but the exact button names or interface might vary slightly. Here's a breakdown of the common procedure. First, log into the platform where your USDT is currently held. Navigate to the Withdrawal or Send section. You'll typically need to select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where your Uphold USDT deposit address comes in. To find this within Uphold, log into your Uphold account, go to Transact, and select Fund. Choose USDT as the asset you want to deposit. Uphold will then provide you with a deposit address. This is a unique string of characters that acts like a digital mailbox for your USDT. Carefully copy this address. It's highly recommended to double or even triple check that you've copied the entire address correctly, as even a single wrong character can result in your funds going to the wrong place. After entering the recipient's address, your Uphold USDT deposit address, you'll need to select the network. This is where the crucial step of checking Uphold's supported networks comes back into play. Make sure the network you choose here exactly matches one of the networks Uphold accepts for USDT deposits. Then, you'll specify the amount of USDT you wish to send. Double-check this amount to ensure it's what you intend to transfer. Keep in mind that some platforms might charge a small withdrawal fee, which will usually be displayed before you confirm the transaction. Finally, you will review all the details, the recipient's address, the network, and the amount, and then confirm the withdrawal or send transaction. Depending on the platform, you might need to enter a two-factor authentication code or complete other security measures to authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be broadcast to the blockchain network you selected. The time it takes for the USDT to appear in your Uphold account can vary depending on the network's congestion and the number of confirmations required by Uphold. You can usually track the progress of your transaction using a transaction ID, TXID, or hash, which the sending platform will typically provide. You can paste this TXID into a blockchain explorer for the chosen network to see its status. And that's essentially the process. Remember the golden rule: always verify the supported network on Uphold before initiating the transfer from your sending platform and meticulously double-check the recipient's address. Taking these precautions will help ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your USDT to Uphold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.